For this video, I'll show you how to use ClickUp AI and give a quick review. First, log into your ClickUp account. Then, on the left panel, select the project where you want to use ClickUp AI. Once inside the project, you'll find the AI assistant available on both the lower right corner and the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to open the AI tool. Now, you can choose from the built-in features or ask about your list. You can ask it to help with anything like summarizing notes. You can also type in a prompt like creating a task and submit it. Once the AI responds, you can simply click Create and the task will be automatically added to your list. Now, for a quick review, ClickUp AI is super helpful for boosting productivity. It is great for turning ideas into structured tasks instantly. The prompts are easy to use, and the results are pretty accurate. It saves a lot of time, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or just need help organizing your workflow. However, it is not perfect. Sometimes the output needs a bit of editing, and more advanced prompts may need rewording. And that's it. Now you know how to use ClickUp AI and what to expect from it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.